Hey everyone, Wyatt. Here at Contixo, we've teamed up with Google Kids Space for this video to give you a step-by-step process of setting up your child's tablet with Google Kids Space. Now if you're new to Google Kids Space, it's basically a kids mode on select Android tablets, now including Contixo. Google Kids Space offers a library of content to create, discover, and to grow. If you would like to see a video of a complete step-by-step process of installing and setting up Google Kids Space, also check those videos out in their channel as well. So, once you have completely set up your Google Kids Space account for your child and their tablet password, you will land on this page saying, "Almost done, your turn." This is the section where your kids will be involved with the setup. So let's go ahead and press next here and get them nearby so they can help us with the next step. So in our next step, it's going to ask you to pick what you like. Keep in mind, this is based on your kids' interest and not yours. So on this page, they can pick up to 3 things. They can choose and select from 3 things that they are interested in. And press next at the top right once you're finished. And now, to enter the world of Google Kids Space, just go ahead and have your kids push the red button and enter. Now kids really like this page because this is basically where you can customize your Google Kids character. You can come back to edit this anytime. But on this page, you have a lot of different options to choose from different skin tones, to eyes, to nose, hair, and clothing. You can also select other options such as headphones and glasses too. And when you're happy with your character, go ahead and press done at the top right. Now this is Google Kids Space. So from here, you'll be able to hand this tablet over to your kids now. But I do want to show you a couple more things that can really come in handy down the line. First, the little icon at the bottom right of the screen, if you go ahead and press and hold it, it'll give you things that are for you, the parents. So if you go ahead and press and hold on it, there is a few options including parental controls and the others. Let's go ahead and choose parental controls. And once in the controls section for you, you'll go ahead and see many items that you can control on this device, including the screen time, daily limits, and bedtimes. This can be edited anytime. The parental controls on the child's device is also linked to an app called Google Family Link. The parental controls on the child's device are family-linked parental controls. Parents can manage those controls and more from their own app. And back to the home menu, you can also add more content and apps if you wanted to. And this lets you use Google Play here to install things that aren't already on the device. So if you want to add more to your device, you can go ahead and do that from this screen over here. You can also set up permissions to where your child can only download teacher recommended apps that they can jump into and download anytime. And back to the previous screen one more time, there's one more thing I wanted to point out. If there are ever any issues with device storage or freeing up space on your device, so if your kids have downloaded a lot of apps or you need to free up some space, you can go ahead and go here under device settings, and you'll be able to uninstall and free up some space. But for your kids, for them to get started, you have this menu at the bottom, And also you have different recommendations, jokes of the day. You can go ahead and scroll through this. So if you would like to see a step-by-step video setting up Google Kids Space from the beginning, please check out that video in our channel as well. I do hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any other questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to help. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tips from your friends here at Contixo. See you soon!